I want to take you guys step by step on every single step that you're going to need in order to be able to launch a meme coin. You're going to need to create yourselves a phantom wallet. All you got to do is transfer some Solana from whatever exchange you bought that from, whether it be Coinbase, Binance, wherever you got it from, transfer it to this particular wallet, and now you're ready to go. Once you have money or Solana in your wallet, you're going to visit a website called Pump.fun. And in Pump.fun, this is where every single coin gets launched. Now the question is, how much money do I need to actually launch a coin? You can launch a coin with 0.2 Solana, with 1 Solana. The more Solana you launch it with, the more supply you're going to control. The more supply you control, the more likelihood you have of being able to control the price on that particular coin. So that's the first thing. So you're going to go to Pump.fun. All you got to do is go here where it says connect your wallet. You're going to click there. It's going to ask you to log in if you have an email address. But what you want to do is you want to click your phantom wallet. Now, if you don't have a phantom wallet, but you have another wallet, these are the wallets that are currently acceptable right now. Phantom is the one I personally use and the one that almost everybody uses. You're gonna go ahead and connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, it's gonna ask you to log in. You're then gonna be asked to sign in. So all you gotta do is hit confirm, and it's gonna automatically confirm it. And then it's gonna say that this is your profile. All you gotta do is click right here, says start a new coin. Change the name that you want to give it. So you can call it Elon or whatever you want to call it. The ticker is pretty much the name of the coin. For example, we saw the Trump coin. It was $Trump. So, you know, you would put here Elon, right? So that's just to match. Then you put a description of what you want the coin to say. And then here you just simply add any image you want. You click on create coin, and that will automatically create the coin for you. Now, if you click here where it says show more options, this is if you have a Telegram, a website, or a Twitter. You click create a coin, and the coin will automatically appear for you guys, kind of similar to what we see here. Now, what is next? So for the coin to actually do very well, it's going to have to hit this bonding curve. So that means that a lot of people are going to have to buy this coin. Once everybody buys it and it hits that bonding curve, it's going to appear right here on Dex Screener, and it will be appearing here if you go to the new pairs. These are every single pair that's coming from Pump.fun, and that's arriving here into the into Dex Screener. And that is how you create a coin. So let me give you guys a quick example so you guys can see exactly what you're going to be looking at. So if you guys are not using Bullock's link is down below, so you guys can download this. This is going to not only give you the ability to track your coin, but also track the track other coins that are launching. So this is kind of the way it works. New creation is what's being created in Pump.fun. About to graduate are the ones that are about to graduate in Pump.fun, and these are the ones that are already graduated. Okay, so once they're already graduated, you guys are ready to go and be like, okay, cool, let's rock and roll. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions, the link is down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.